I'm a victim of this. Yeah, I feel a victim of following the lies which big gurus on YouTube are spilling out everywhere, and now I'm getting to suffer from it. I'm learning the hard way. I'm trying to retract my steps to see if I can build back my channel. Yeah, I've made lots of mistakes. I would say it's good to make mistakes sometimes. It's good to fall into the wrong hands and sometimes, not always, but at least once in a while, fall into the wrong hands. It helps you to learn from it. Yeah, this is my own story. Yeah, I started YouTube the wrong way. I started YouTube with the wrong format. I started YouTube with the wrong thinking. Yeah, big gurus out there will tell you that you need this. If you don't have this, you can't grow on YouTube. That you have to do this to grow on YouTube. And on the long run, the long run, I got to discover that these are totally lies. Go back, check on their channels. I know most of them do delete most of their old videos they started way back then. Most of them have deleted those videos, so you won't know how they started. But most of them still keep these videos. So anytime I meet a big YouTube guru, I do go to their channel. I will scroll down. I'll scroll down to when they started. I'll check out their posts, their videos. I'll get to watch their videos, how they started, and all of that. And I discovered that it was just being consistent, being the real you. They kept to themselves. They were just consistent, and they grew level by level. It was steady. They grew stage by stage until they got to where they are. But where my problem is where they will tell you that you can blow up in 1 month. Do this to blow up in 2 weeks. What? Are you being serious? 2 weeks? Is that a joke? Honestly, these are big lies. They'll have to tell you that if you don't have a good thumbnail, a catchy thumbnail, your videos can't fly. No, they don't now tell you don't have a very nice title, your videos can fly. Lies all about having hashtags. And see, a good video is a good video. Forget about the fact that you need thumbnails. If you want to follow them, fine, nice. You can follow. Follow what they say, but don't do everything. The fact is, if you want to do thumbnails, yeah, thumbnails are good. Number one, the way I see thumbnails is they help to beautify your channel. It gives a perfect look to your channel that someone can easily want to watch your video, but it's not all. That's not all. Thumbnails is just a brief description, not too much colors. Thumbnail doesn't have to be that you have to use a background, certain background for your thumbnail, a certain color for your thumbnail, or that. You can choose to use the same background you're shooting your video with for your thumbnail. Just place, okay, like me, I'm seated here, and this is an empty space. I can choose to get my writings on this other space, use it as my thumbnail. That's all. I can choose not to use it. I can choose to use something else as my thumbnail. That's all. Most people do talk about shorts, that you have to jump on trends, jump on people's videos, those gurus out there, their shorts, collab with their shorts, and do green screens and all of that. Yeah, it's good. They bring those methods, they bring viewers into your channel. You have engagement in your channel. They help to boost your channel, but it has a clause. Yes, it has a clause. The clause here is if you are on YouTube for long form videos, if your channel on YouTube is for long form videos, please don't embed yourself on shorts. See, I've learned from this. Honest truth, I've learned from this. I started my YouTube channel. All I was doing is shorts, jumping on trends, and all these viral trends. I started jumping on them. I noticed I had subscribers from there. I had lots of views, lots of shares, and all of that. I was like, wow, had comments. I was feeling happy, but I never knew I was hurting myself. Honestly, you might ask how. How was I hurting myself when I had the subscribers and all of that? Okay, my channel is a long form video channel, not really for shorts. I'm on tutorials, doing tutorials. But I went on trends, music videos, some army, military videos, and all of that, which were really boosting my channel on subscription, like the subscription wise part of it. People were subscribing to my channel. But what happens when I post my long form videos? Just take a look at this. Take a look at my long form videos. I haven't have a video that it's been almost 3 weeks now. It's just still on 6 views only. I've had videos just talked on 100 and something. I really have views on my videos. They are not just going anywhere. Why? Because those subscribers subscribed to my channel because of that particular video I posted on my shorts. They subscribed to my shorts. They loved those collabs I did on my shorts. Those are viral videos. People know about those videos. People like those videos and they subscribe because of that particular video. They never subscribed because of my tutorial videos. Take note. They never subscribed because of my long form. None of them subscribed from my long form video. All my long form videos, I had zero subscription. So all the subscription I had were from my shorts and probably my live. Most time my live, yeah, you might get subscription from your live, especially when you're talking. You can just tell someone, kindly subscribe to my channel, and someone will just choose to subscribe to your channel. But for the main reason, the main fact, which was my long form videos, I had no subscribers. It's just recently that I'm just starting to have 1 or 2 subscribers from my long form videos because I stopped shorts, basically stopped shorts, doing collabs and jumping on trends. I stopped them and I focused on my own personal content. The shorts I'm now posting are from my long form videos. I do remix my long form videos to create shorts and post on my shorts. So anyone going to my shorts will see snippets from my long form videos and will choose to come to watch the long form video itself. So that's where I start. I'm starting from now. I have to bring down myself back. I have to go back down and restart again because all the subscribers I have are not watching my videos. They don't watch my videos. If I should show you, okay, take a look at this. Watch time from subscribers. Just take a look. Watch time from subscribers. It's nowhere to be found. Imagine how many percent. But non-subscribers, I have lots of watch time. I'll have lots of views from not non-subscribers. But from subscribers, it's nothing. So now I'm trying to build this up again. I'm just building it up again. Another thing that the big gurus do lie to us, another point, it's don't do vlogging. No one knows you. Ah, wow. Vlogging, that you shouldn't do vlogging, that no one knows you. Man, take a look at this. Those that are doing vlogging, like me, I barely know people. Yeah, most people that are doing vlogging, I really don't know them. Okay, like most of the ladies that really do, I know ladies that are really doing vlogging. Most of them I don't know, but when you go to their channel, you find out that they have much viewers, they have subscribers, lots of subscribers, lots of engagement, and but me, I don't know them. It's the same thing. Probably me, I want to start a vlogging channel today. I can still start a vlogging channel. It's based on how. Okay, let me not start with the how. It's based on why you are starting this vlogging channel, how you are starting this vlogging channel, how, and where are you targeting. Take note of this. Why, how, and where. I'm trying to take it the other way around. So you must have why should I start this channel? okay, how am I going to start this channel? And which aspect of the audience am I going to target? That's just it. Know the people that are watching your channel. Like me, take a look at this. You see those that are watching my channel, the age range of people that are watching my channel. So that means all content I'm doing should be able to satisfy this age range you see in here. The content I'm doing should be able to satisfy them. That's just it. Another thing is be consistent. See, from everything I said from the beginning, they are just how should I put it? They're just about 4.3%. But what carries the most actual thing, the most serious thing you have to do is being consistent. See, no matter what you're facing, no matter how your channel is dragging, forget about it, just be consistent. When you are consistent, you get to see that, okay, for example, me, I stopped the shorts I started with that were giving me follow subscribers. I stopped those shorts and I started putting up my own personal shots. And when I started, I got no views. Sometimes I'll stay 2 days, just one view. Why? Because the shots I was doing before, they were not what was, as in those subscribers that subscribe to those shots were not the true subscribers I needed. So you need true subscribers on your channel. So be consistent. Just be consistent. You see consistency. No matter what you do, no matter how you're feeling, no matter the routine of your job, at least even if it's 4 minutes of your time, a 4 minutes video, it's okay. Just say something, post, even if it's 4 minutes, 5 minutes video. It doesn't mean it have to be up to 10 minutes, 20 and 15 minutes, 20 minutes. No, a 4 minutes video is okay, at least to keep your viewers on the know that you are still up there for them. They still expect more from you. They are expecting more updates from you, and keep your viewers on track. Doesn't matter. Being consistent doesn't mean you have to post every day. For me, I do post every day because I have the time. Yes, I have the time to post every day. My job description gives me time to record my video at any time because most times I'm less busy. So I can record my video at any time. So I have that time. But if your job description doesn't give you such time, at least during your break hours, no matter how tired you are, just coil up something positive, even if it's a motivational speech of about 5 minutes. Say something and post. It doesn't have to be every day. So you can choose to post videos of about 10 to 15 minutes, probably twice a week or 3 times a week. You can choose a day on your free day. You can use your free day to make about 3 to 4 to 5 videos. That's it. 3, 4 to 5 videos. Just the draft topics you're going to deal with, topics you're going to work on, do research on it, and just round it up. Take first topic, deal with it, probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you're done. Take a rest, take a look at the second topic, try, build on it, and within a few minutes, you're done. So, in all this, it's just the consistency you need. Forget about the big gurus out there. I didn't want to really take much of your time. Forget about the big gurus out there. Be consistent. Not everything you should follow. Don't follow everything. Just be consistent. Be your real self. Forget about your background. Forget about the background you're using for your video. Just be your real self and say what your audience are looking for. That's just it. Stop falling a victim. I've fallen a victim of it, and I'm paying drastically I'm paying painfully for it. So stay positive and be consistent.
Every day, every day, every day,